Sup guys, Tayo here, and in this video I'll be covering all what you need to know about the Infinix Hot 12. So sit back and relax while you click on the like button so that more people can get to see this video, and that subscribe button as well. And with that being said, okay guys, let's get started. The Infinix Hot 12 is made out of plastic as expected, and it comes in a variety of colors. Let me know your favorite color of this device in the comment section below. It houses a 6.82-inch IPS LCD display with a resolution of 1080 by 2460 pixels. That's not all, it also has 90Hz refresh rate, which Infinix could have easily skipped on this device to save cost, but thankfully they added it to this device. And speaking of cost, I'll be telling you the price of this device towards the end of the video, so stick around for that. The Infinix Hot 12 comes right out of the box with Android 11 running their custom skin called XOS version 10, and as you would expect, yes, it comes with some bloatware which can be uninstalled or disabled. The mediatek helio G85 processor powering this device, although not a new processor, is still capable for gaming, coupled with its 4GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. Now this device can be expanded, the RAM can be expanded using memory fusion to up to 7GB, at least you get 3 extra gigabytes, and the memory as well using a memory card. I really love that all these companies are now giving us features that are cool like this. Memory fusion, RAM plus, whatever you like to call it, is a really cool feature. You do notice the difference, but take note that it is not as effective as the normal hardware RAM, but it serves as an helping hand, if you get what I mean. At the rear, the Hot 12 rocks a triple camera setup consisting of a 30MP main camera, a 2MP depth camera, and an AI camera capable of shooting videos at 1080p 30 frames per second, which is the same for the 8MP selfie camera as well. Powering the Infinix Hot 12 is a 5000mAh battery capable of 18 watts charging, and yes, we do get the charger in the box. Infinix hasn't joined the bad guys yet. Now, the price of the Infinix Hot 12 hasn't been confirmed yet, but based on some sources, the price of the Infinix Hot 12 will likely be $186, which is equivalent to around 77,200 naira, and I expect this device to be around this price range, but I will advise you to take it with a grain of salt since not everything has been confirmed yet. Anyways, let me know your thoughts on this device in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and catch you guys in the next one. Peace.